an Indian citizen has been killed in Australia. We want to know if it's what the police is doing about it, if it's been seen as a racist attack, and what has been the role so far of the Indian mission.
Sanjay, this is a sad event that had happened on Saturday evening. Since then, our Consulate General in Sydney was informed of it the next day, that is yesterday morning, by the employers, which is an Indian company, Mindtree. Since then, the Indian Consulate General has been proactively engaged with the Australian government. Our Consul General spoke to the New South Wales Premier, Mr. Mike Baird, and requested him to pursue this matter with the utmost importance. I understand that the husband, Mr. Arun Kumar, is there now in Sydney. Just a few minutes ago, our Consul General, along with Mr. Arun Kumar and representatives of the company Mindtree, went to the police station. The police have indicated that they take this matter very seriously. They are putting in special group of detectives to pursue this matter, and they hope that they will have something to share with us as soon as possible, and they will share. At this stage, I don't think we should impute any motives, because the police are on their job, they're doing their job. Let us wait for their outcome. All we can say is that we take this matter seriously. We are in touch with the Australian authorities in New South Wales. Our Consul General is facilitating Mr. Arun Kumar in all the assistance that he requires, and we will continue to follow up this matter, because the External Affairs Minister, Srimati Sushma Swaraj, is herself monitoring the developments from here in Delhi. जी, हिंदी में आप
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो बेंगलुरु के एक लेडी के ऊपर हमला हुआ, उसके बारे में भारत सरकार क्या कर रही है?
देखिए, ये एक बहुत दुखित घटना हुई। जैसे हमें पता चला कल सवेरे, हमारे काउंसिल जनरल जो वहां पर हैं, श्री संजय सुधीर, वो तुरंत न्यू साउथ वेल्स के प्रीमियर माइक बेर्ड से कांटेक्ट में थे, और उन्होंने उन्हें बताया इस घटना के बारे में, और न्यू साउथ वेल्स के प्रीमियर ने कहा कि वो इस घटना को बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं और इसकी पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे। इसके बाद आज सवेरे श्री संजय सुधीर और श्री अरुण कुमार जो सिडनी पहुंचे हैं, हु इज द हस्बैंड ऑफ श्रीमती प्रभा अरुण कुमार, वो आज पुलिस स्टेशन गए और अभी कुछ देर पहले पुलिस के अफसरों से मिले, और वहां पर उन्हें बताया गया कि एक स्पेशल डिटेक्टिव स्क्वाड तैयार किया गया है इस मामले की इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए, और उनका कहना है कि वो पूरी कोशिश करेंगे इसके जो इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं उनको पकड़ने के लिए। अब पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है, और हम आपसे बस यही कह सकते हैं कि ठहरिए, जब तक पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट हो जाए, वो हम सबके साथ अपने इन्वेस्टिगेशन के आउटकम शेयर करेंगे।
The government had claimed that he was now in safe hands, but he's reported to still not have gone back to his family. Could you update us on what happened really to Basi, as well as the 39 other Indians who still remain in captivity in Mosul? Are they safe?
Smita, you are aware that the situation in Mosul is in a flux. It is a situation where the writ of a group other than the government runs. And therefore, our ability to monitor on a day-to-day basis is limited. We are trying our best through various mechanisms to try and get information. The information we have has been shared with you from time to time, and that is that at this stage, we have had no direct contact with those 39 Indians who were taken captive. We have had some information coming to us from secondary sources. This we have shared with the relatives of the 39 Indians. At this stage, I do not have anything to add beyond what we have shared before. That is, we do not have confirmation either of their being in captivity on a longer term basis or they being released. So what I can say is that given the difficulties of the situation, we continue to pursue this matter and we will continue to do so. That said, as regards Mr. Harjeet Masih, I can reiterate to you, he is in protective custody. And protective custody ensures that he comes to no harm. Once the authorities who are handling it make the call that he is now, there is no more threat to him, his protective custody will be lifted and he will be back where he wants to. At this stage, please allow those who are responsible for his protection to do their work. Thank you very much.